Welcome, the complete guide to co-regulation. By the end, you will know exactly how to calm another nervous system and let yours be calmed. Let us begin. Section 1. What is co-regulation? Your nervous system reads other nervous systems through facial expression, vocal tone, body posture, breath rate, eye contact. When you are with a regulated person, your vagus pulls toward theirs. Their ventral vagal lends you ventral vagal. This is co-regulation. It is biology, not magic. This is why a calm friend on the phone settles you faster than your own thoughts. Why a baby falls asleep on a regulated chest. Why pets ground us. Why a therapist's body matters more than their words. The nervous system speaks before language. Section 2. The 5 signals of safety. Soft eye contact. Not staring. Not avoiding. The vagal nerve reads the eye muscles. Low, slow voice. The prosody of safety. High, fast voice signals threat. Low, slow voice signals calm. Soft jaw. Visible relaxation. The other person reads your face and pulls toward what they see. Slow breath. Visible. Audible if helpful. Their breath will entrain to yours within 30 seconds. Body openness. Shoulders relaxed. Chest open. Hands visible. Closed body posture signals threat. Section 3. How to co-regulate someone in panic. Drop to their eye level. If standing, seat. If they're crouching, get lower. Lower your voice. Match the slowness even if they're talking fast. Do not match their speed. Soften your face. Let your jaw drop. Your mouth slightly open. Breathe visibly. Long exhales. Twice as long as inhales. Let them see your chest. Do not talk yet. Their language brain is offline. Wait. 20 seconds. Sometimes a full minute. When they look at you, half smile. Soft. Then. Only then. Words. Slow. Short. Specific. Are you safe right now? I am here. Section 4. How to co-regulate someone in shutdown. The opposite challenge. They are too low. They need gentle activation. Move slightly. Walk while talking. Movement transfers. Sit closer. Not too close. Just enough to bring warmth. Cool water nearby. Offer cold drink. The temperature reset works. Light touch if welcomed. Hand on shoulder. Brief. Question. Open. Curious. Not pressuring. What feels possible right now? Wait longer. Dorsal needs slower thaw than sympathetic needs cooling. Section 5. Co-regulation in conflict. When two people argue, both nervous systems are in sympathetic. The fight gets worse because each amplifies the other. One person has to step out of the loop. The first one to drop their voice. Soften their face. Stay in their body. That person becomes the anchor. The other vagus pulls toward calm. Not because the calm one won. Because the nervous system biology pulls toward regulation, when offered. Section 6. The reverse problem. You are around a dysregulated person all day. Boss. Parent. Partner. Your vagus drains. You become depleted not because you did too much, because you co-regulated downward. Awareness is the fix. Notice when you are pulling someone up. Take micro breaks. Step outside. Cold water on wrists. Slow exhale. Recharge your ventral vagal. Then return. Section 7. Co-regulation with yourself. When alone, you can still co-regulate. Through self-touch. Hand on chest. Hand on belly. Vagus reads it as care. Through your own voice. Hum. Sing. Talk softly to yourself. Through visualization. Picture someone whose presence regulates you. The vagus partially responds to imagined regulation. Through pets. Even a brief moment with an animal lends ventral vagal. Section 8. When co-regulation fails, both nervous systems are activated. Neither can anchor. Both should separate. Or one person is too dysregulated. The other should leave. Not abandon. Just create distance until they can return. Or the relationship pattern is chronically draining. Sometimes co-regulation is not enough. The dynamic itself is the problem. Section 9. Why this matters. If you have been told to manage your anxiety alone, the polyvagal answer disagrees. We co-regulate. We are social mammals. The nervous system was built for connection. Isolation worsens dysregulation. The cure for nervous system pain is often another nervous system. Regulated. Available. Witnessing. Section 10. Start today. Notice one moment. Who is regulating you? Who is depleting you? Make one small choice based on that data. Tomorrow's another. By month 1, you will see your nervous system map. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for the rest of the series.